We opened up this company about 3 years ago to try to bring integrity in roofing sales. We're honest, we're passionate, and we're out here to help.
Quality materials, quality installation, quality customer service. That's kind of our MO. Our go-to shingles has been and probably always will be until IKO comes out with something better, IKO Dynasty. So, we sleep better at night knowing that we're putting that up there. Really the only damage that happens in this state, we don't get a lot of hail in Washington, so wind damage happens, and our first office was in Enumclaw. And if you're familiar with the area, Enumclaw is very, very high winds, especially this time of the year. And, we can sleep soundly putting a roof on in Enumclaw using Dynasty. And, whereas some of the competitor shingles, you'll put a roof on in Enumclaw and the next morning it's gone.
Some of the colors, Summit Gray right now was just released, which is awesome. It's probably my favorite gray I've ever seen. It's a little bit of a darker gray, but it's beautiful.
ROOFPRO is everything to us. For us to be able to go on IKO's website and then show being the top rated installer for IKO in this whole area, the whole greater Seattle area for that matter, it's everything to us. It gives the homeowners that extra boost of trust, and it makes me feel 10 feet tall. So I love it.